But until the computer is rebooted, let me explain what we are going to do. So whenever we introduce a CAM system to our customers, there was one point missing today. So we offered the complete, full solution, but in the end, there needs to be NC code verification. There is one company we are working in Germany with since 10 years. And we have an incredible relationship with them. And once my computer is able to run again, we will explain you how to do it in the future. So just give me a minute. Okay, guys, we are ready again. Sorry for the delay. We have to thank Microsoft for this. So the presentation that originally was planned was to talk about customers and partner success stories. But I mean, we talked a lot about partners and customers already. So we need to be flexible, right? So we decided to talk about something else. The last couple of weeks, we have been talking to a very well-known partner in the market. And I would like to introduce to you a very important strategic partnership that we are going to have in the future. So, if we have some drums, it would be nice, but we haven't. So the strategic partnership is between SolidCAM and Vericut. Today, with us, with me, is Philipp Block, who is the marketing and partner manager of Vericut. Philipp, stage is yours.